We are the pioneering enterprise behind the recycled PVB value chain, committed not only to profitability but also to our environmental responsibilities. Our recycled PVB products have been recognized with the ISPO Best Product Award for both 2025 and 2026, and have been shortlisted for the European Green Product Award. Certified by GRS, our recycled PVB synthetic leather is one of the most sustainable materials, featuring the lowest carbon footprint and the highest recycling rate in its category. Around 90 million cars are scrapped every year worldwide. PVB separated from waste windshields is the best low-carbon emission eco-material. The manufacturing processes are separation, purification, and modification after dismantling windshields. Step 1. Separation. End-of-life windshields undergo separation to recover PVB film and glass particles, which serve as feedstocks for sustainable material production. Step 2. Purification. Impurities are removed from PVB using a recycled water circulation system, enhancing the purity of the PVB. Step 3. Modification. Post-consumer PVB is engineered through modification to meet multiple circular economy applications. We operate recycled synthetic leather production plants in Taiwan, Guangdong, and Fujian, China. The calendaring process transforms recycled PVB into synthetic leathers. We maintain recycled PVB synthetic leather quality through dedicated R&D and comprehensive testing protocols. End product applications.